Hey YouTube, welcome. Today we will learn how to download the MinGW-W64 compiler used for compiling C++. This particular compiler also has the GCC compiler for compiling C files as well. So here is the link for downloading the compiler. I have provided this link down below in the description box as well. So we take this link, paste it into the browser, go to this link and then scroll down until we find this section which reads as MinGW-W64 8.1.0. So under this section we are having this file which is underscore POSIX SEH. We click on that. This is our compiler which we need to download. It will be in the form of a zip folder. So shortly the download will start and the download has started. For not wasting the time, I've already downloaded the compiler over here. Now we can go to the desktop. We can take our downloaded zip file, move it to the desktop, and then unzip it using WinRAR. So we can press on extract to and OK. So it will unzip the complete compiler folder for us and put it on the desktop. The folder name will be the same as the zip file name. The folder name is x86 underscore 64. Right now it's still unzipping. Now it has unzipped the compiler. So we'll close all these other windows. So once you open the unzipped folder, you'll be able to find this folder, MinGW64. Now, make our compiler work in Windows, we need to take this folder and copy it into program files folder inside the C drive. For that, we first copy this folder and then we go to this PC. After going to this PC, we find the C drive folder. In my case, it's Acer. I'll click on it and then I'll go to program files. Once I go to program files, over here, anywhere in the empty space, I will click. Okay, I'm clicking over here anywhere in the empty space and then right clicking and then pasting the folder over here. It will ask for administrator permission, so you can press continue. Yeah, so now the folder MinGW is being pasted inside program files. Now you can open the folder inside program files and then you will find a folder named bin. So click on that and then click in this portion. Once you click, you can see the path has been highlighted. So right click and then copy. This path is very important because in order to set up the G++ compiler, we need to copy this path. Once we copy this path, we need to set up our environment variables. For that, we press Windows key plus R key, Windows plus R, and then start typing in system properties advanced without space and then click OK. Once we do this, this small system properties window will appear. Now we go inside the advanced tab by clicking on it. We are inside the advanced tab and then inside that there is a button named environment variables. Click on this button. This will help us to set up our environment. Now inside system variables, we click on the variable named path. So we double click on it and then in order to add our MinGW, in order to set up our MinGW compiler, we just click on new and then paste whatever we had copied before and then press enter. Once we have done this and press OK, our MinGW compiler is ready. Our G++ compiler is ready for usage. So I will show you whether it's ready to use or not. So we click OK and again click OK and then we can open CMD command prompt to check whether G++ is working or not. So you can see the command prompt is open over here. We can type in G++, all small G++, and see it's throwing an error that there are no input files, then to G++ compiler is working. That means G++ has been successfully installed.
Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.